Welcome. In front of me is REALME Neo 5, and in this video I will show you what to do if your face recognition scanner doesn't recognize your face properly. So in such case you'll have to set up a new face model. To do that, go to settings, then select security and privacy, select device unlock, then go to fingerprint and face unlock, select face, agree, and if you have any previous face models enrolled on your phone, then remove them. Okay, let's draw the pattern, and before we proceed, grab a dry towel or a piece of cloth to carefully wipe the surface of your frontal camera so that you can clearly see yourself in the screen, and also make sure to adjust the brightness in your room for the same reason. So and when you're ready, press add now and proceed by adding a new face model. And when the face is added, click done. Now let's head back into the settings, select system and updates, go to software update and check if your device is up to date, and if it's not, then make sure to take your time and install all the updates. After you do that, hold down the power key and volume up button and select restart and wait until the phone is rebooted so that we know for sure that all the changes applied. When the phone is restarted, let's unlock it and let's check how the face recognition works now. And as you can see, it worked smoothly for me. I hope it did for you too, and if it did, let us know about it in the comments. Consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.